Hi there, and welcome to a Paybox Timers demonstration video of the box that we sell in the US and Canada. As you can see, one box can run a washer and dryer with two separate timers, one for the dryer at the bottom and one for the washer at the top. When you press and hold the respective buttons, money will flow from the coin acceptor to your desired machine. Paybox timers are equipped with 4 payment options: coins, tokens, credit cards, and prepaid codes. As you move to the inside of the box, there is a circuit board located behind your timers, allowing you to set your time and how much you want to charge. You can change it in the future, but when the box arrives to you, it is at a set time that the company provides. As you can see, there is one for the dryer and one for the washer. And located on the right-hand side is your coin acceptor. Below your circuit board, you will find a black washer plug, which is where you would plug in your washer machine to the box. Under that is a 4-pronged dryer plug. And above is where your keys are located. On the right-hand side, you will find your coin collector box, where coins from the top will fall into the bottom. And you can hook it right back on as done in the video. This machine is equipped with a standard 240 volt plug for the electric dryer, as you can see, and takes a standard 120 volt for the washer. And to turn on the box, you simply plug it into any standard electrical outlet. Also located at the back of the box are 4 mounting spaces where you can drill and mount the box onto the wall. Thank you for watching today's demonstration video.